Hurricane winds quickly blew into town, blowing everything in its pathway to the ground. The damage was bad, people were sad all around. But there's one thing I know about this town. Oh, we're 850 strong, and it won't take very long before the love in this town turn it around. Yes, I know, 'cause we're 850 strong. The sound of chainsaws echoing through fallen pine trees, the sight of blue tarps on broken rooftops sends a chill through me. But I know it's only a matter of time before we turn it around. Pick this town up, we're gonna be just fine. 'Cause we're 850 strong, and it won't take very long before the love in this town turn it around. Yes, I know, 'cause we're 850 strong. Neighbors helping neighbors, friends helping friends, perfect strangers hugging necks. Towns from all around sending all their workers down to pick this place up off the ground. What a beautiful thing all this pain can bring, Lord knows. Oh, He made us this way, He made us 850 strong. Oh, we're 850 strong, and it won't take very long for the love in this town turn it around. Yes, I know, 'cause we're 850 strong. Dr. Shane on the radio waves, keeping us calm, praying God will keep us safe and trying to make the best of this storm. Telling us to love one another, take care of each other till the storm is gone. Reminding us we're 850 strong. Oh, we're 850 strong, and it won't take very long for the love in this town to turn it around. Just I know, 'cause we're 850 strong. Oh, we're 850 strong. Yes, we're 850 strong.